Hey guys, it's Will Palmer bringing you another video on attorney marketing, and really excited about this one because last week I created a video on how much money you should spend on your marketing because I get that question a lot. Am I underspending? Am I overspending? And I got so much great feedback, and I kind of alluded to this next question, but the next question I often get, and even was asked to me on LinkedIn, was where online do I spend the money? Now that you've told me how much to spend, by the way, that video is on willpalmerkc.com. That's my website. But where do I spend it? So I thought I'd break that down for you today. It's, I don't know, 7:30, my wife's gone, baby's asleep. I had to get this video out because I thought about this so much over the past week, and it is going to bring so much insight into how to market successfully. In fact, I'm going to give you a test that you can perform immediately on your current firm's marketing setup. Or if you haven't invested yet, make sure that you apply this test on when you speak to somebody. And it's a pass-fail type of test. And it's so simple. I'll show you this. And it's funny because the firms that are failing at online marketing in terms of results and return on investment are almost always failing at this test. And the ones that are passing this test are almost always succeeding. It's that powerful. And so today I have a prop to illustrate these points, and I'm going to show you where and how to spend your money online. Okay? So here's my fancy drawing on the two types of advertising that exist, and this will answer this question I'll explain here in a second. So there's passive and there's active advertising. They're two totally different forms of advertising, but they work together. So back in the day, attorneys only did passive in the form of yellow pages or the yellow book. In the 80s, if you spent enough money there, the phone rang. And that's all it took to be competitive. Well, then, 10 or 15 years ago, websites became more popular. And so attorneys spent money on websites and SEO and blogging, and that was all it took back then. If you were a first adopter to have a website, you were on page one for a lot of great keywords, life was great, you were raking in money, awesome. Well, a shift happened, I would say probably 5 years ago, where all of a sudden there's all these active advertising channels that were not introduced, but becoming more popular within attorney marketing at least. And active is things like paid traffic or paid ads. So Google paid ads, Facebook paid ads, legal directories like FindLaw, Super Lawyers, Avvo, Justia, lawyers.com, email marketing. So this is where you're paying to be in front of an audience. This is stuff you control versus traffic you don't control. Here's what happened though, okay? People didn't adapt to this, and most of the time, I'm going to put this number up in front of you right now. 60 to 70% of your total online marketing budget is spent on passive. A big old website with tons and tons of content and pages, and you're paying somebody monthly to optimize it, SEO, and do blogging and all these things, and take those blogs and put them on your Facebook or LinkedIn. It's so funny how many firms I go into and I ask what their strategy is, and they said, oh, I just hired somebody to do SEO on my website. And I ask them how much they're spending, and it's insane. I mean, it ranges from $900 a month, $500, thousands of dollars a month. And I go, what are they doing for you though, specifically? Oh, well, they're going to optimize it for search. That's what I do. Right there, I go, no. Huge waste of money, huge waste of time. So if this is still your strategy, and you're failing at marketing, this is why. So what happens is people are only spending about 30 or 40% on active. Okay, this is the old way. People still sell this way. They still consult this way, which is insane to me. Here's what you need to be doing. I'm going to reverse these. Totally reverse these numbers. You need to be spending, and here is the test. I'm going to give it to you right now. 30 to 40% of your money or your budget monthly on passive, 60 to 70% on active. Because it's so competitive nowadays, your website will no longer rank organically unless you're an outlier anymore for keywords like car accident attorney or DUI attorney or divorce attorney, you name it, doesn't matter. You need to be getting paid traffic for those keywords going right to your website, and that's how you're getting calls. So that's the test. If you have these numbers out of whack, often your online marketing will fail. And the majority of your budget must be spent getting in front of the right audience on Google, on Facebook, and having an expert that can look at who your perfect client is, who your best fit case is, target them through paid ads to solicit and acquire new leads. So that's passive versus active advertising. Another great test, another great way to succeed. So if you find this valuable, please go to willpalmerkc.com. I'm going to add a space to you so you can enter your email address, and I will continue to send out really good information to you to make sure that you are getting the very best results on your marketing dollars. And like always, I'm here to recommend what's best for your personal goals. And if you would like to understand what that looks like with no obligation, no hard sale, nothing like that, and you just want to talk to somebody who's seen it all. Honestly, I've seen the people that win and lose at marketing every day, every single day. So I know what it takes to avoid the traps. Reach out to me and schedule a free call. Hope this is helpful. I will see you guys next time. Have a good night. Bye.